Welcome to the featured video of Magento 2 Duplicate Category Extension by FMEextensions. This extension allows Magento admins to easily create copies of existing categories with products and catalog rules in a few clicks. The key features of this extension are: duplicate a parent or child category with a click, duplicate categories with the same attributes, settings, and products. Adjust attributes like the category name, URL key, meta information, etc. upon duplication. Let's configure the extension. Log in to your Magento 2 admin panel. Navigate to Catalog, Categories. Select a parent or child category you want to duplicate and click Copy Category. Choose whether or not you want to duplicate using CLI commands. Choose a parent category and give the new category a name. Choose whether or not you want to copy related products, subcategories, and subcategory products. Click Add Row if you want to replace words in the new category. When you are done, click Generate. Refresh your cache for the changes to take effect. Now go to the front end to see how the duplicate category looks. Thank you for watching. For more details, visit this link.